Question 7 of this exercise says the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. Find the mean enrollment of the school for this period. So we have to find the mean, which is sum of terms divided by the number of terms. So let's find the sum of terms. So it is 1555 plus 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013, 2540 and plus 2820 divided by the number of terms. As we can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are there, so we will divide it by 6. So on adding them, we will get 12,348 divided by 6, and on dividing by 6 we will get 2058. So that will be the mean of the given data.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.